In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a table in Excel. Turning a plain block of data into a real Excel table makes it easier to read, sort, filter, and analyze. I'll walk you through the process and share a few helpful tips so your table works exactly the way you expect. Before we begin, make sure your data is arranged in a simple grid with column titles in the top row, no completely blank rows or columns in the middle, and consistent formatting for things like dates and numbers. If you already have your data laid out that way, you're in great shape. First, click the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of Excel. This is where you'll find tools that turn your raw data into structured objects. Having your active cell anywhere inside your data is fine. Excel will use that to help identify the range. Next, click Table. When you do, Excel opens a small Create Table window. It usually guesses the full range of your data automatically, drawing a dashed outline around what it thinks belongs in the table. This is especially reliable when your data is a single, continuous block with headers at the top. If the selection isn't perfect, or you want to be sure the right cells are included, highlight the data range yourself. You can simply drag to include every column and row you want in the table, including that top header row. A few tips here. Keep your range contiguous with no blank columns splitting the data. Include all the rows you'll need so nothing gets left out. And make sure that top row truly contains labels like date, product, or amount. Those will become your table's column headers, which is what enables the handy filter and sort dropdowns you'll see in a moment. When the range looks correct, click OK. Excel instantly converts the selection into a table, applies a clean style with alternating row shading, and adds filter arrows to each header. From here, you'll notice that sorting and filtering are easier, formulas fill down automatically, and the table expands as you add new rows beneath it. If you see any odd results, like a blank header or a column you didn't mean to include, simply review the range you selected and try again with a clean, uninterrupted block of data. That's all there is to it. Click Insert, choose Table, highlight the right range, and click OK. With those few clicks, you've turned raw information into a structured, flexible table that's ready for analysis and presentation.